So a question I often get asked by sellers is about timelines when selling their home. What did you expect? After working with many sellers here in Northern Nevada, this comes up all the time. Hi, I'm Shannon Comstock with Remax Gold. When preparing to sell your home, it's crucial not to just rush and put your home on the MLS before it's show-ready condition. Let me walk you through what you need to consider before opening your doors to potential buyers. After we meet and you decide to list with us, I'll provide a contract for you to sign. And once we have that executed contract, and if only necessary, we'll schedule an appointment with our stager to give you recommendations on enhancing your home's appearance to maximize your return on your investment. Don't worry, there's no additional cost for this consultation. Research shows that proper staging significantly impacts both your final sale price and how quickly your home sells. So once your home is in show-ready condition, we'll schedule our professional photographer, drone photographer, and videographer to capture all the unique features of your property. With these assets in hand, we then work on the back-end digital marketing to properly expose your home to the widest possible audience. This marketing phase is crucial for getting maximum value for your home. I don't just put up a sign and list on the MLS. My approach is much more comprehensive. I implement a strategic digital marketing plan unlike any other, running highly targeted ad campaigns across multiple social media platforms. Simply posting your home on a Facebook page only reaches about 3% of potential buyers, which is why we ensure proper exposure across various platforms. During this preparation period, we also discuss whether any pre-listing inspections would be beneficial. We'll review all necessary disclosures so potential buyers are fully informed about your home's condition before making an offer. Of course, your listing will appear on all major sites like Zillow, Realtor.com, and more. We've enhanced these listings for optimum performance. Once your home goes live, buyer's agents will call to schedule showings. They'll accompany their clients, so you don't need to worry about handling that aspect. The time it takes to sell your home will depend on market conditions and the season. And remember, with Shannon Comstock at Remax Gold, digital spark and heart set your home apart.